Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the objects whose strokes change when you scale. Once selected, make sure you can see both the stroke panel and the transform panel. This gives you direct control. Now check whether any objects use appearance effects or variable width strokes, because those behave differently. Open the Align panel only if you need bounds, because you want consistent stroke thickness. The very first actionable step is to toggle the Scale Strokes and Effects option in the Transform flyout. Do that now. Once done toggling scale strokes and effects, you need to verify behavior. Choose the Scale tool, enter a numeric percentage, and check Preview so you can see changes in real time. If strokes scale when the option is on, that's expected. If they don't, ensure appearance attributes aren't locked or grouped inside symbols. Also test non-uniform scaling to confirm visual consistency. If variable widths exist, expand appearance or adjust width profile to see true final results before committing. To finish, either leave scale strokes and effects set for live scaling or convert strokes to fixed shapes by choosing Object Expand Appearance so scaling no longer alters weight. Once expanded, strokes become filled paths and remain consistent. Make sure to save a copy before expanding. If results look wrong, check for symbols, locked layers, or nested groups that override settings. Unlocking and reapplying the transform option usually fixes it. If problems persist, revert or undo, and inspect appearance attributes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.